Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're talking about the disadvantages of cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies are digital currencies that use advanced technology for security. While they have many advantages, it's important to know about the drawbacks too. Let's get started. The first disadvantage is volatility. Cryptocurrencies can have big price changes in a short time. This makes them risky for people who want stable investments. Another problem is the lack of regulation and security risks. Cryptocurrencies are not controlled by governments or banks, which can make them vulnerable to scams and hacking. It's important to be careful when choosing where to store your cryptocurrencies. Third, not many businesses accept cryptocurrencies as payment. This limits their usefulness in everyday transactions. Until more places accept them, it can be hard to use them in your daily life. Cryptocurrencies, especially Bitcoin, also have an environmental impact. Mining them uses a lot of electricity, which contributes to carbon emissions. This is a concern for the environment that needs to be addressed. Finally, scalability is a challenge for cryptocurrencies. As more people start using them, the networks can become slower and fees may increase. This makes it harder to use them for large-scale transactions. It's important to remember that these disadvantages are not permanent. Developers are working on solutions to improve the cryptocurrency industry and address these issues. And now, for a bonus point. Despite the disadvantages, cryptocurrencies have some unique advantages. They provide financial inclusion for people who don't have access to traditional banking. Cryptocurrencies also make cross-border transactions faster and cheaper. To sum it up, cryptocurrencies have their drawbacks, such as volatility, lack of regulation, limited acceptance, environmental impact, and scalability challenges. However, they also offer benefits like financial inclusion and efficient cross-border transactions. It's important to consider both sides before getting involved with cryptocurrencies. Thanks for watching today's video on the disadvantages of cryptocurrencies. If you found this information helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Leave your comments below, and we'll see you in the next one.